Welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe again.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, in today's video we will be making a banana bread. And for this recipe, this is what you will need. I have some all-purpose flour, melted butter, brown sugar, evaporated milk, banana, eggs, and over here I have some salt and some nutmeg. Here I have some baking powder and some baking soda. And in this container I have some mixed essence. Now for this recipe you will definitely need those overripe banana, the one that's looking this rusty. We're just going to put these on the side and I will show you how to prepare your banana, and this will be the first step. Now to a bowl, I am going to peel my banana. Now we're going to start mashing our banana. You want to make sure that it's at a puree consistency. If there is a few lumps, doesn't matter, you can leave that in. It's not a big deal. When you're done mixing it in the flour, that will just dissolve. So guys, when your banana is at this consistency, you're gonna place this on the side. I'm gonna crack my eggs now in a bowl. So guys, now that I have my egg in here, you're gonna just add in your sugar. And we're just gonna whisk this a little bit. Now you don't have to whisk this until the sugar is melted. You can just start adding in your other ingredients, which is the wet ingredients only. I'm adding in my butter there, my melted butter, my milk, and my essence. Now I'm gonna whisk this and make sure that they're all combined. We're just gonna place this on the side and we'll bring in our dry ingredients. We want to add in all the baking powder, baking soda, the salt, and the nutmeg. And we just want to mix this to make sure it is combined evenly. Now that that is combined, I'm going to go right ahead and add in my liquid. And you can add it all at once. And I will go in as well with my mashed bananas. And I'm going to go in with a spatula and we're going to just combine everything together. Fold it in nicely until you are sure that all the ingredients are well combined. So guys, this is all done. Everything is well combined and you don't have to really mix this too much as well. Once everything is fully incorporated, you just have to place this on the side, and I'm going to go work on my pan. Now, I want to give you a few more options. I know a few people like to add in nuts, they like to add in chocolate chip, or they like to add in raisins. If you are a person that like to add in those ingredients, go right ahead. Now this will be the right time to add that in. Once you're done mixing your batter, you will just add in your chocolate chips or your raisins or your nuts, whatever you like to add in. Now we are gonna have this just a plain banana bread today. We're not adding anything inside, but just in case you want to add that, this is the right time. You will need to add that in. Now, once you add in those ingredients, if you're gonna add in chocolate chip, try not to over mix your batter where the chocolate chips start melting in the batter. Then you have a chocolate flavored banana bread. If that's your aim, then go right ahead. the raisins and the nuts, if you want to add it in, you just fold it in and you're good there to go. You just add this to your pan now and you're good. So I'm gonna go prepare my pan and I'll come back and show you the next step. So guys, I added a piece of parchment paper on the bottom there. And I'm just gonna apply some butter on the side. Just make sure your pan is evenly coated with your butter. And we're going to add in just a little bit of flour. I'm just gonna go hit this to take out all the excess flour I have. You're ready to add your batter to your pan. Just give it a quick mix. So the measurements of my pan is 9.5 inch by 5.5 inch here. And I'm going to just spread this out. You just want to give it a little tap to make sure that all the air pockets in between comes out. Now my oven is preheated to 350 degrees and I'm going to go bake this until it's nice and golden brown. I will let you know the exact time I take it out. So guys, we're going to put this in the oven now to bake. I'm placing this on the center of the oven on the middle rack, and we'll bake this. I'll set my oven to 45 minutes first, and if it needs some more, I'll add in some more time. This is looking all done here. I'm gonna take my banana bread out now, and just to make sure, I'm just gonna insert this little toothpick, and since it came out clean, you know you're all done, and it's all done. So we're gonna allow this to cool down now before we take it out of the pan. And just a little tip, if you try to take it out of the pan while it's hot, then it will fall apart. It usually would break like loose in the ends. So I'm just gonna allow this to cool down and I'll cut into it, and Chloe's gonna try it and she will tell you guys how good it is, since it is one of her favorite bread as well. So guys, this is nice and cool now, so we're just gonna remove it from the pan. And look how easy it is and clean it came out when it's nice and cool and you use that little piece of parchment paper on the bottom there. And now we're gonna cut into this. Now here is our delicious, moist banana bread. Now Chloe's gonna try it and she will let you know how it tastes.
Time to try it. Bye, like and subscribe. And stay healthy. And if you don't comment below, you won't see me.